everyone. I'm here again at Yogi Tacta Studios. My name is Regina, and today I'm going to make a demonstration of how a yoga posture, such as legs up the wall, can be so beautifully enhanced by the sound healing instrument. And for that, I have invited Karin to join us. Karin?
Hello. Today I brought a circulation bowl, which is the copy of a very ancient bowl discovered in Tibet. When you look inside the bowl, it has a little mound in the center which enhances and prolongs the sound of the bowl when played. Now the bowl also has a note, so when I strike the bowl, I have an app, a tuning app on my iPhone, and I'm going to hold the iPhone inside the bowl while I strike it. The dominant note is an F, and the F, if we compare the human body to a scale, we start with the lower C, we go up to D, E, F. So F would be the region of the heart and the lungs. So this bowl will enhance the pose that Regina will show you by circulating blood in that area.
Exactly, and the pose that I'm going to be demoing to you, and you're welcome to practice on your own, also does the same. So this is enhancing circulation, and my posture also enhances circulation in the body, bringing a nice fluid motion of the blood from your feet, from my feet, all the way out to the heart as well, flushing the lymphatic system and also helping with mild depression and anxiety. So let's do it. Coming closer to the wall, place the side hip as close as possible to that supporting area. And then from here, begin to lean back on your elbows. Lift one leg at a time, and then turn your body to face the wall. From here, I'm going to go ahead and place my feet on the wall, and then slowly come down. Stretch the legs. So you can stay right here if you are on your first trimester of pregnancy, or if you have some back issues. Otherwise, you can actually come into a half shoulder stand, which is a little bit more advanced. So lifting your hips away from the floor, place the palms of your hands in your lower back, and then lift one leg at a time towards the sky. Be sure that the weight is on your shoulders and that your elbows are truly supporting you in this posture. Breathe. You're welcome to stay here a little bit longer. Otherwise, bending one leg at a time, place one
Namaste.